We're getting ready to let our chicks out into the run that we have raised on babies. This will be their first time out. And we're going to see how they like it. Come on out. Come on, babies. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. You can come out here. Come on. Come on. It's okay. It's okay. Come on out. Yeah, you can come out and play. Come on. Come on out and play. It's alright. It's okay. Come on. Come on, Cricket. Where you at, Cricket? Cricket. Come on out. It's alright. Come on out. Come on. It's okay. Yeah, good girl. Good girl. Come on. It's alright. You can come out here and play. You want to come out and play? Come on. Come out and play. Come on. Wow, look out here. You got all this room to play. Got all this room to play. And have fun and run around. Yeah, come on. Come on. Don't go back. Come on out here. Come on. Come on out here. Goodness gracious. Oh, he's going to be the brave one. He's going to be the brave one. Come on, come on out here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on out. Yeah, come on, Cricket. Come on, Cricket. You lead the way. Show them how to do it. Come on, you can do it. Yes, you can do it. Goodness, come on. Come on. Oh my goodness. Come on, you can do it. You're braver than that. You're braver than that. I'm up on the porch and looking out the window. You see him up here on the porch? Get down from up there and come out here and play. Come on. Come on, it's okay. Come on down. Come on out here. You can do it. Good girl. Good girl. You can do it. Smart. Yeah. Hanging on for dear life. Oh, looky. Yes. There's a brave one. Good girl. Yeah. Come out here and have some fun. All right. Come on, Cricket. Get out of there. Come on. Come on. The girls are beating you. Yeah, the girls are beating you. Better come out, Cricket. Look how much you've grown. Yeah. Good job. Now come back. Quit being a chicken. Come on out here. Come on. There you go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, Cricket. Come on. Come on. Come on, Cricket. Come on. Come on. Okay, my hand is getting tired of videoing, so I'm going to have to turn it off. I was really wanting you guys to come out here, you little chickens. Come on. Come on. Let me video you. Come on. Come on. It's okay. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Come on. I wanted it back in there, so. Okay, I'm going to have to turn the camera off. Hello, Fern. Hey, Fern. You gonna talk to me? You gonna talk to me, Fern? Fern, you scared her back in there. Yeah, they all went back. Okay, I'm gonna cut it off now.